Stop what you're doing, especially if you own a Galaxy S20 series device. This phone was supposed to be finished. Support officially ended back in March. It was a 5-year-old relic. So why did Samsung just do the unthinkable and push a brand new emergency update in August 2025? Drop your best theory in the comments section down below while I go over everything that has happened today. Alright, let's set the stage. The Samsung Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus, and the Galaxy S20 Ultra, an iconic lineup for 2020, and as promised, Samsung delivered 5 full years of software support, with the final patch rolling out in March of this year, 2025. And that was it, the end of the line. We all saw the headlines. We all knew it was coming. If you were still rocking the Galaxy S20 series, then you knew you were on your own from a security standpoint. Until now, absolutely out of nowhere, Verizon customers started getting a new notification, a software update for the Galaxy S20 series. And this is happening after the extension that these phones were already given last year. Samsung is really giving these folks an early birthday present, aren't they? This isn't just a minor update either. This patch jumps the phone's security all the way to July 2025 patch. And while this rollout initially started with Verizon, it's expected to roll out to everyone very soon. Now, this is where it gets a little mysterious, because so far, Samsung has not released a changelog to accompany this update, nor has Verizon. They didn't explain why the phones were brought back from the dead, nor have they told us why this update is so important. Now, let me tell you a little secret about the tech world. Companies like Samsung do not push surprise updates to unsupported devices just for fun. It costs them time, money, and a lot of resources to do something like this. They only do it for one reason. They found a security vulnerability that was so serious, so potentially dangerous, that they had an ethical obligation to go back and patch it, even on older hardware like the Galaxy S20 series. This isn't just a routine bug fix update either. This is likely an emergency patch for a major security flaw. Remember, Google just announced the August 2025 patches for Android, and in it they include patches for 2 critical severity vulnerabilities, with one enabling a remote code execution exploit and the other dealing with a closed source component. So it could be really bad, and that might be why Samsung has gone through the lengths to update the Galaxy S20 series. By pushing this update, Samsung is essentially sending a quiet warning. There is a security hole, and we just plugged it for you. So if you're still using the Galaxy S20 series, you should not walk. You should run to your settings and install that update the moment it becomes available for you. I would find the software update page on your phone from within the settings application and manually check it at least once per day to make sure that you don't miss it. You can even do a search for the word software update within the settings app if you're having trouble locating this page. You can see that dedication to security is incredible. Honestly, what do you think they fixed? Could it be related to the August 2025 security patches that Google just announced? Or is it something else that was solely happening on the Galaxy S20 series? For whatever reason, I appreciate Samsung is pushing out this last security update to those with the Galaxy S20 series. This whole situation is a massive win for Samsung customers. It proves their commitment to their customers goes beyond just a written policy. While the S20 series got a fantastic 5 years of support, this shows how far Samsung has come. Today, new devices like the Galaxy S25 series come with a promise of 7 years of both operating system and security updates. That's on par with Google and Apple. It's a testament to their confidence and a huge reason why people stick with the Samsung ecosystem. They just don't sell you a phone. They stand by it. This unexpected S20 update isn't just a patch, it's a statement. It says that even when a device is officially retired, Samsung is still watching its back. And for that, I think they deserve a ton of credit. But this raises a huge new question. If Samsung is willing to support a phone for 5 or 7 years now, and even patch them after that, is it worth upgrading your phone anymore? What's the real breaking point where you just stop wasting your money on a new device? Now, please don't forget to give this video a like, as it really helps to keep me motivated here, and subscribe to the channel too for more Samsung Galaxy content like this.